Hello guys, so right here I have sort of the board configuration set up for version 3 of my wireless networking project for underwater wireless signals. And version 1 and 2 have already been done, as some of you may know. I will actually do my own PCB board designs for version 3, but right now I'm using out of the box hobby boards just for demonstration purposes, because I'm not fully ready to release that PCB just yet for obvious reasons. So the boards that I'm using is the middle one has a UART communications module. The bottom is just basically an Arduino. And then the top is a Groove sensory sealed, which is really important because I have all the required sensors I need for the actual configuration that I'm doing. Here it actually has two USBs that you need to plug in. This one's not plugged in because I needed to plug in the camera just for this video only. And right here, I believe, is the WIO link. So the WIO link, basically what it does is it's able to connect to a wireless network, and it generates an identifier, sort of like an API endpoint connection, so that you actually know that you're connected at all times, obviously for testing purposes and for looking at any connectivity issues and making sure everything is sort of like this point-to-point network. So the WIO link is very helpful in creating API identifiers at that case. And then here, right here, obviously is just the backup 4G network. So yeah, that's the actual configuration for version 3, and this is sort of what will be done for demo purposes. And obviously there's going to be probably a really rough PVC enclosure for it, and then there's probably going to be a 3D printed enclosure later on in the future, and maybe even laser cut or CNC, I don't know yet. And then obviously there's going to be the fully customized version, custom PCB and everything that will be released later on. So yeah, that's going to be what I will use for my experimentation, most likely in the demo.